So I've come across this word, Kodaikanal. That's my best guess. She then taught English at the Christians in South India for 2 years. So no idea. Haven't seen it before. It looks kind of odd. So I go to the first place I look. If it's something that obscure, the first place I look is Google. So Kodaikanal is a Tamil word. And you can see there's a Wikipedia. The first thing is Wikipedia, and the first thing it shows you is the IPA pronunciation. And if we go to Wikipedia, there it is. Now, if you try to select it, it's a link. So it takes you to Help IPA Tamil, which if you open that, is not terribly helpful. It shows you the Tamil script and then the English approximation and the IPA notation. So you can try to select it here, which is kind of hard to do, but hey, I did it. Or you can just use this here. This is not a link in Google. So copy that, and then you go to IPA-Reader.xyz, which is not secure, but do we care? And then you just type it in, and you say, read.
Kodaikanal.
Kodaikanal. Okay, Kodaikanal. All right, so that's about as authoritative a resource as I'm going to say I could find on how to pronounce the Tamil word Kodaikanal. So when you come across something that's obscure and it's probably not in Google Translate from, oh no, Kodaikanal here. Kodaikanal. Translate from English, Chinese, yeah, no. Do they have Tamil? Oh, they do. Oh boy.
Kodaikanal.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, never mind. Let's see. Is this going to be in Forvo? Oh my gosh. Thanks, Forvo. Useless, worthless.
Kodaikanal.
Oh, okay. All right. Kodaikanal. Well, but the IPA
Kodaikanal
was correct. So, anyway, IPA Reader, Google, Wikipedia, just another hack for finding play. Oh my gosh, look at this. Kodaikanal, where is it? Oh, look at that. Can I? Kodaikanal. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm just learning all kinds of things today. Oh, well. Here, hang on a second. There we go. Yep.
Kodaikanal.
Well, all right then. Anyway, I thought that was a clever hack. Turns out I was being too clever for my own good, but what are you going to do? Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.